Hello, M4K here, and welcome back to the Performa workshop. I have something a little unusual on the bench today. It's an electric typewriter. A friend of mine at work had expressed some interest in getting back into writing, and he was looking for a machine that was a little more full-featured for his projects. Not long after that, I came across this machine, a dusty but otherwise good-looking Brother SX4000 model, a mid-range machine. From my research, these were first released in 1998 and then produced until about 2007 for business customers who still wanted typewriters. Surprisingly, there still seems to be quite a bit of support out there for this model, including ribbon for both typing and correcting available for purchase. This typewriter was quite dusty, but not dirty like some of the machines that come through here. The one spot that seemed to be harboring the most dust and debris was the keyboard, but lucky for me, I've got a key puller which makes quick work of the keys. From here, I was able to take the keys and give them a good washing with soap, while the underside I was able to clean with compressed air and a Clorox wipe to get absolutely everything cleaned out. I suspect that this typewriter was stored somewhere very cool, dry, and dark for most of its life. The keys on most older keyboards tend to become quite yellow over time when the bromine in the plastic reacts to heat and especially ultraviolet light from the sun. On these keys, the yellowing effect was hardly noticeable to begin with. A little peroxide later and they're even better than when they came off. I had considered giving them a full retrobrite, but the weather hasn't been very conducive for any retrobrite projects, let alone something that already looks this good. Overall, I'm really happy with how this machine turned out. A little cleanup and some fresh ribbon and it works great again. I'm hoping my friend will want it, but if he's not interested in this one, I'm sure we'll find something clever to do with it around here. Many thanks for watching. I have a lot more weird and wonderful things coming to the workshop soon, so don't forget to subscribe to see what's next. Thank you again and have a great day!